Hey Fox, hello and welcome to this YouTube channel. In this video, I'm gonna teach you a very useful tutorial on how to download and install Canon Scan LIDE Handheld driver in your Windows 11 PC or laptop. So without any further ado, let's begin. Firstly, we need to proceed at the bottom search bar and type for Chrome. Once we've typed it, please wait until a best match would appear, and once it's here, please click on Open to continue. Now, the moment you are being redirected to this Google Chrome browser, please proceed at the search bar being placed at the center and type for Canon Scan LIDE 100 driver and click on enter key so that you would be redirected to the results. Okay, you would be able to see a list of results. Please proceed on this one. Click on it. Okay. And you will be able to see this one, which is the scan driver. All you need to do is you need to click on this download option so that you would be able to download it. Okay. So proceed to the upper right side of the screen. You can see there a download icon. Please click on it and you would be able to see this one. The next step that we need to do, okay, is we need to click on this folder icon. The moment you do it, you will be redirected to this location where it is being placed or saved to. The next step that we need to do is we need to click on this cut icon and then close the window as well as this. And here, please do a right click and go with this paste icon. Now, the moment you have pasted it, you will be able to move it here at the desktop. Please double tap to it so that you can now start on the installation. So if your user account control would ask you to say yes, simply proceed with yes so that you can proceed to this installation. Okay? So just click on next and choose your residence. In my case, I'll be selecting Asia. Click on next once again. Go with yes. Okay. And it will now start in the installation. So it's still registering the program information. We just have to wait until all of this process would be finished. Once you're good, click on complete, and there you have that. You have just successfully installed the Canon Scan LIDE 100 driver in your Windows 11 PC or laptop. So that's it. If you think this video helped you a lot, then please don't forget to subscribe, hit the like button as well as the bell icon to be updated for more tutorials like this. Thank you for watching this video and have a good day.